And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Good morning to you. Your time is 6:43 and we are waking up to cloudy skies from our Sky 5 camera shot here in Weslaco. You can see overcast conditions out there, very warm and humid too, right around 77 degrees. Feeling a lot like the lower 80s, but we're tracking rain and you can see kind of where it is with the Doppler estimated rainfall totals so far this morning. Going to zoom into northern Star and northern Hidalgo County. That's where a lot of this action has been, and it's currently moving into northern Willacy County. Anywhere from about an inch up to 2 inches of rain has fallen because these storms have been slow moving, and you see that here started just after 3:30 this morning, making it slow track toward the east, packing some heavy rain, even some lightning and sometimes some gusty winds. But for the most part, San Ysidro kind of out of that mix right now. There are a few little stray showers behind it that could stray into your area, so don't be surprised if you see a few more sprinkles. But here's where the bulk of the action is. It is currently moving into Raymondville from San Manuel to Raymondville. That's where a lot of this heavy rain is, and in addition to that, you're seeing some lightning. And with these slower moving storms like this, you can expect some ponding water out there on the roadways. 186 will definitely have some rain out there, producing those slick roads all the way up I-69E from Raymondville going north. So yeah, the potential is definitely there. Even parts of 186 going from about Willamar area, San Perlita, all the way into Port Mansfield. Going to be a slick commute for sure as the rain continues to fall, and will continue to do that over the next couple of hours. Now, with that being said, keep your umbrella with you. Even though it may not be raining outdoors now, there's that chance that you could get a shower or a thunderstorm later on today. We'll be warming up to the low 90s today, so it'll definitely create that instability or that rockiness that we need to get some of these showers or thunderstorms going. With that being said, later on tonight, an isolated severe thunderstorm can't be ruled out. I'm not talking wall-to-wall severe thunderstorms, but a storm or two could turn severe by producing some gusty wind. Even hail is possible, and definitely some heavy rain and lightning. So that's something that we'll be watching as we get into tonight. We're talking overnight, which I'll show you in a second. Cold front will arrive early Wednesday. That's what's triggering this activity. Behind that front, we're going to have a slight cool down, very short-lived. As we head into the holiday weekend, it looks like everything is dry, hot, humid and breezy. So here's a look at the future track model. We start the high resolution model at 11 o'clock tonight. That's where we're going to bring the rain back to the forecast after a few spotty showers this afternoon, mainly in the mid to lower valley. Now looking at midnight, that's where it does start to get a little active everywhere from about Rio Grande City all the way to South Padre Island. Now with that being said, you see these little areas of yellow and red, and maybe even some tinges of orange. That is what we're going to be watching for to see if those storms actually develop into something severe. Now this front's going to pass by fairly quickly. By 2 or 3 o'clock, that dry, stable air starts to move in, and it'll actually feel quite nice for tomorrow afternoon. For today, however, 94 will feel like the triple digits out there. Mix of sun and clouds is going to help warm us up, get those showers and thunderstorms going, so be sure to have your umbrella with you. We're increasing those rain chances overnight, and we'll have overnight lows in the upper 60s with strong storm possible. Like I said, nothing wall-to-wall strong, but we could have a strong storm embedded with some showers and thunderstorms tonight. 69 degrees will be your overnight low. 87, a lot less humid, nice tomorrow. But look at this. Warm, breezy, hot and humid weather settles in right behind that. So 94 degrees by Thursday, 97 and 98 from Friday into the holiday weekend. It will be very breezy, so if you have plans outdoors, remember to not only carry some shade, but to carry something weighted to hold all your stuff down. By Memorial Day Monday, it does look like we'll have a 20% chance for a shower or a thunderstorm. Nothing widespread, not a washout of a day. 94 will be your high. And look at your overnight lows. The next couple of nights in the upper 60s, then we're back to the upper 70s from Thursday on. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.